External power switch for repulsor test 1. Tonight I will be testing the external power switch that will be on one of my shoulders that will turn on and off the repulsor circuit so that I don't have to use the little onboard switch on here that I won't be able to get to once it's in the suit. So, and the two 9-volt batteries that I have will be replaced by two rechargeable cells, and that all those rechargeable cells that go from each repulsor, the soundboard, the headset, everything will be connected to one circuit, so I can charge everything off one wall jack. Alright, let's test the switch.
Importing preferences and calibrating virtual environment. I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We're online and ready.
Of course. Everything works as normal. And then I can power off with the external switch. End of switch test 1.